Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pike here. Today we're going to talk about something that I've been using for a while that you can use for lead generation and automation through Facebook. It's called Facebook Messenger bots. So anyway, stay tuned. We're going to do a ScreenFlow video. Going to jump into it, show you how you can reach your audience, communicate with them 24/7, and to get the conversation going automatically. So stay tuned. I'll show you in the next video a tutorial on how to set up your Facebook Messenger bot and utilize that to get more communication with your audience and to get more subscribers on your list. Stay tuned. Everyone, welcome back. So let's jump into the training. We're going to get started with the Facebook bot training setup. So first thing we want to do is you want to come to, there's a free software that's called ManyChat.com. You want to come here and let's just do get started. They do have a paid version as well, but let's just start for now with the free version. All right, so you want to sign in with your Facebook account, and then it should pull up. It's probably going to pull up. Okay, so this is just one of my pages that I own or manage. I'm going to show you guys how to get started. So what you want to do is you want to make sure this is a Facebook business page. So if you don't already have a Facebook business page, you want to go to business.facebook.com and set up a business page for Facebook. And then you want to come in and add it here. Or if you manage any pages or anything, those will be here as well. So I'll show you. So if you come down here to the drop down, you can just add a page here if you want to. If you want to add any pages, we're actually going to go to this page for the tutorial. So let's get started and I'll show you guys first thing we want to do. So now that we have our page connected and set up, we want to go and set up our welcome message. So go down here to automation and then go to welcome message. So this is going to be when anyone like responds to a button or on your page or like contact you on your page. You may see some pages that have like a really high response time is because this welcome message. So you want to come here, set this up. You can just click the edit there if you want to change the name, but we'll just leave that the same. And you can come here, you can enter text. So say if you want to enter the contact's first name, you can do that. These are like merge fields here that you can add in. You can do first name, last name, or just full name. But let's just do first name. We'll add that here. You can just do something generic, you know, welcome to my page. Click here to get more information. Obviously this is just a generic message I'm putting here. You want to add something a little bit more here, but just welcome. It's pretty much just a welcome message, welcome them to your page. All right, so there we go, got that information. If you want to add a button here, whether you want to have them, you know, for more information, you know, you go to my website, so you can just hit like click here. Whatever you put here is going to show up. There we go. Click here. Can't talk today. More info. You can do that, and then like you can put like your website there. So say if I want to put my website there, I can put it here as well, and then that will link that up. Done. If we wanted to put more information here, so say we want, if you have a number you want them to call. You can put that as well, and that will call as well. Again, you want to change the title, call me, and then you can just put your number there as well, and that will give them the option to call. So that's like the quick welcome message that you're gonna have there. If you wanted to create another step, you can do that as well. If you wanted to do another reply after this as well, you can do that. But that's just basically just like the quick message view. You can also, they also have an option called Flow Builder. From here, you can just kind of build it out. It's the same concept, just a different view, and you can kind of map out different steps here in the Flow Builder. So if you have like different actions that you wanted to add based on if they click the button, you can build it out here in this Flow Builder. But we'll just go back to the basic builder, and then that's it. So that's how you set up the welcome message. You also want to just add some verbiage in here as well. You know, if you you know, wish to, you know, not receive messages or whatever, just type stop That way you're not, people aren't complaining or whatever about spam. If anytime they want to opt out, you can do that as well. I just want to make sure you pick that. It's kind of like with email, you have the opt-out option. You want to give them the option as well on your Facebook Messenger thing as well. All right, so that's how you set up a welcome message. We're gonna go into, so say like when people come into your list and you just want to like email them out. So if you have an email list and you're familiar with broadcasting, you can go in and you can send a message out to your whole list. So you can do the same thing with ManyChat as well. The good thing about ManyChat is everyone's on Facebook, and the open rates on these things, from what I've seen, are really, really high for some of the accounts that I've run for my clients. Really high open rates. So you can just do a new broadcast here. Same thing, you can put a message in here. They do have like a character limit here, but you can send a message out if you want to, like, hey, I'm going live, in a few minutes. Click here. Like if you're going out live on YouTube or you're going live on Facebook, you can just put that message in there, check me out, and put the link to it there. Or if you come out with a new YouTube video and you want to let people know on your, messenger list through ManyChat, you can send a message out, broadcast the message out to them as well, letting them know. So it's pretty cool. Same thing with, with messages, like you can send it now or you can schedule it for a later time to have it scheduled go out. So if you schedule your YouTube videos on a certain time every day, every week, then you can come in and have this messenger go out as well to your YouTube video whenever it goes live. So that's pretty cool. But the main thing, you're probably wondering, like, how do I get leads or how do I get people to subscribe? So there's several ways, but I'll show you guys the main way that I do it. If you've been to my website enoughwithdat.com, you've probably seen this, but I'm going to show you guys. It's called Growth Tools. So let's come in here. So I have my blog opt-in here. So when you come in here, so I've already have this set up. So I have my logo there. You can come in and change your logo. You can change this copy here if you wanted to. I just have send me a message on Facebook or whatever. And then you can change this here as well. You can even change the button background or the size of the button. If we want to go larger, bigger, whatever. Put that there. And then like this is the submitted state. So once they submit, you can customize that again. Again, you want to come in, just has a generic ManyChat logo there when you first come in, a generic text. So you want to go ahead and just add your logo and any customized text that you want to add here. If you want to change the background color, you can do that as well. And then come into opt-in options. So here, I just have it. This is just a message once they opt in. I have thank you for reaching out. Here's the video I promised you. I promised them like a video if they opt into my list. So this is just the message that goes out to them automatically. Also, if you have like different sequences and stuff, if you're doing different promotions like ebooks and stuff like that, you can add them into like that sequence as well. So kind of like the same flow if you're doing emails, how you can automate and add them into different flows. So this is, let's go to the setup here. So basically it's just a code that you're, a JavaScript code that you're adding. Just go here, just put the website that you want to authorize it on. So I already have my website there authorized. And then you just go here, you copy this code, and then you just want to place it into the header on your website. So your website, or if you're using like a landing page funnel builder, you just want to put that heading code in there for people to be able to opt in. So I'll show you. We'll go to my website and we'll have it pop up here. So let's scroll down here. Boom. So there we go. So someone, this pops up every time someone comes on my website. I think like if they're not subscribed, or like every 3 days I have it pop up here. You can control how often you want it to pop up. And boom, it says there, send me a message on Facebook. They just click this message here, and then automatically will opt them into my list. And that's it with how to set up. Pretty easy. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to set this up. Obviously there's a lot of stuff that you guys can do. I'm gonna do like some more in-depth trainings on it maybe later, if there's enough interest on like how to set up just like awesome campaigns to use. ManyChat, like I use it with some of my clients, and like we use it to sell like some of their lower priced items. Same thing with some of my clients when they go live on Facebook. we use it too. Like you can use like keywords, have people type in messages like a keyword, and that will opt them into your sequence as well. So it's a lot of cool things that you can do with this, but I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to set it up. Anyway, if you guys have any questions or you guys want me to do more videos or just a more in-depth training on ManyChat, please let me know. If you're interested, drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to do that. Until next time, talk to you guys later. Okay, great. So I hope you guys enjoyed that training. Like I said, this is just a very basic beginner level training on ManyChat. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial just to show you guys like the power of it and kind of how to get it set up. Anyway, if there is enough interest in me doing a full out training on ManyChat, please leave a comment below. I'm also going to link up a Facebook growth tool as well, just to give you guys just a free handout, just to give you more in-depth information on how to use Facebook. So make sure you click the link. It'll be down in the description below. Make sure you click it. It's really packed with a lot of value for you guys, especially if you're just getting into the online business, learning the powers and just tools that you can use to automate stuff and grow your list and grow your audience, and also just ways for you guys to be able to communicate with them. If you haven't already, also please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the little bell to get notifications when my videos go out. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these tutorial videos, kind of what I do day to day for myself and for my clients. I want to give you guys that information as well, especially for you guys out there that are into YouTube and that you're trying to grow your list. There's a lot of free tools that you guys can use to grow your list. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.